Your smartphone keyboard just became an AI agent. And that's only the beginning of today's news. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Wednesday, July 1st, 2026. In AI news today, Singapore startup Acti just launched a Gemini-powered agentic keyboard for iOS and Android. This thing works across every single app on your phone and lets you build custom AI shortcuts using plain natural language. No switching apps, no copy-paste. The keyboard itself becomes your AI agent. That's a genuinely new idea for mobile. Also from Google, Gemini can now tap your Gmail, Google Photos, and search history to generate images personalized to your actual life. It's rolling out free to all eligible US users right now. On one hand, that's genuinely impressive personalization. On the other, Google just connected more of your personal data to its AI engine. Worth paying attention to. In AI and jobs news, financial platform Ramp just dropped a study of over 21,500 US companies. And the finding is striking. Firms with the highest AI spending grew their headcount by roughly 10%, while the broader job market stayed basically frozen. That's not the AI kills jobs story you keep hearing. It's more nuanced. AI adoption is separating the growers from everyone else. Also making headlines, Chamath Palihapitiya just raised a $135 million Series A for his AI coding startup 8090 Labs, and he's not just writing checks, he's stepping in as CEO. The startup's software factory agent is designed to ship audited, production-ready code autonomously. When a high-profile investor takes the wheel personally, that tells you something about how hot the AI coding space really is. In tech news, WhatsApp is rolling out username reservations, meaning its 3 billion users will soon be able to chat without ever sharing a phone number. That's a real privacy win for most people. But here's the flip side. Usernames are easier to spoof than phone numbers, which means scammers have a new playbook to run. Big feature, and worth understanding both sides. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about your keyboard as an AI agent in the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.